What up, family? It's Naj with Built by Plants. I got an easy, vegan, high protein snack for y'all today. Really only using 2 ingredients. Y'all can add more ingredients if you need, add a little bit of a sweetener if you need, but I like it just the way I'm about to show you all right now. Starting off with the Kite Greek yogurt. This is vegan. It's a plant-based yogurt right here, all right? Honestly, this by itself is a high protein snack, but you know what I like to do? I like to make it more high protein, get in more protein so that you can build that muscle that you need to look the way that you want to look. This is 360 calories for the whole entire container with 46 grams of protein. Now you all know my primary protein scale when it comes to a good calorie to protein ratio. For every 100 calories, you want 10 grams of protein. That's what you will qualify as a primary source of protein on the plant-based diet. All right, not to say that the secondary sources like beans and rice and all that stuff, not to say that you shouldn't eat that, but don't view it as a primary source of protein. This far exceeds that. This is 360 calories, 46 grams of protein, which is excellent. So we're gonna make this even more high protein by adding a scoop of the BBP protein powder. All right, so this is gonna be another 130 calories, 20 grams of protein. All together, both of these, 490 calories with 66 grams of vegan protein. Now, 490 calories, I wouldn't necessarily qualify that as a snack. I like to keep my snacks 350 calories or less. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, and then I'm gonna have half of it now, maybe half tomorrow, all right? Or maybe half of it now and then half of it later on in the evening, if I'm having 2 snacks for that day. And you can do the same, all right? I'm just giving you all ideas so y'all can apply them as you need. So feel free to do so. Now before we make it, let's go ahead and track it. So I'm gonna pull up the BBP coaching app, go to the nutrition section. I'm gonna tap on after workout. And then this barcode, we're gonna scan the barcode so it can pull up the nutrition facts for us. Boom. We're gonna go with servings. And how many servings is in there? 2.5. Or you can just go based off of grams, which is what I usually do. We're gonna tap on add. And we're also gonna track the BBP protein powder, vanilla ice cream. Let's change that. And there's really nothing away with this right now because we're gonna use the whole entire container. Open up the protein powder. Pour that right on top. A little bit more. Now all we gotta do is mix it all in. Now you can put this in a bowl or whatever you want so that you're not wasting the protein powder. And there we go. Quick and easy. You can see it's mixed very well. No clunkiness, just a nice smooth texture. And you can always add in more to it. You can add in some frozen fruit or fresh fruit, some blueberries, some granola, whatever you want. Just keep the calories in check. Make sure that you track it so that you know how much you're taking in. And what I would do is I would have half of this. So that way the calories aren't 490, it'll be more like 245 calories with 33 grams of protein. You can have this whole container and divide it for 2 snacks throughout the day, or have half of it today, another half of it tomorrow. You can get creative with it. Super high protein snack. Total again, 490 calories with 66 grams of protein. Greek yogurt is a very strong taste, so if you're not used to that, you can always get one of the flavored ones, but I recommend getting some more nutrients in there and adding your own flavor. So I'm going to add in some pepitas right on top. Reset the scale. I'm gonna add in some frozen strawberries. We'll get that to about 50 grams or so. And there we go. So it's not gonna be the prettiest looking thing, but I'm gonna mix it all in and it's gonna be wonderful. Now you got a really high protein vegan snack that you can have. Like I said, I don't recommend that you have the entire thing in one day because 490 calories, that's getting in there to meal territory. I like to keep the calories for my snacks 350 and below. So what I would do is I would have half of this, which would be 245 calories, and then half tomorrow. Okay, so that keeps the calories in check. You You still get a lot of protein in there. 245 calories with 33 grams of protein. Now, if you want more high protein snacks and meals that don't take a long time to cook, they taste great, go ahead and grab your copy of the Vegan Bro Meals ebook down below. And if you want access to all of our fat loss and muscle building recipes inside of the virtual kitchen, there's a link down below for you to join the Built by Plants Pocket Coach. You can get a trial for 7 days for just $1. And you can join, stay, become a part of the family, get access to everything that we have, all of our training programs and courses and such. And then you can also cancel anytime if you don't like it, but you're gonna love it. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hit that like button, drop a comment down below on what you all wanna see next. Hit that subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. When I first got started trying to lose some fat, build some muscle, and get serious about my body goals so many years back, trying to do it on a plant-based diet, I had to figure out all these little components. How much should I be eating? How many calories? How much protein? What type of workout should I be doing? Where do I get this information from? And over the years, I figured it out. I learned about food scales. I learned about tracking my calories, body fat percentage, taking nutrition courses, certifications that help me gather the knowledge that I need. Sort through all the information on Google where people just throwing stuff at you consistently. You don't really know what to believe. Maybe that's where you are right now. But maybe you have started and just failed over time, invested a lot of money with minimal return on your investment. Well, I want to introduce you to the Built by Plants Pocket Coach. The Built by Plants Pocket Coach is the #1 vegan fitness and nutrition app in the world, with the ability to customize your own meal plan with a drag and drop meal builder that you can grab foods directly from the virtual kitchen. All of the foods that you see Raina make, me make, high protein, low calorie, delicious meals, you can have it and customize it for just $1 to get started with. And then you get access to the app instantly. In addition to all the great tasting meals you're gonna find inside of there, you can also learn how many calories you need so that you can eat for your specific fat loss goals or maybe muscle building goals. Speaking of muscle building, we have training programs for every fitness level. It doesn't matter if you don't have any equipment, there's bodyweight only workout programs. If you do have access to a full gym, barbell, dumbbell, kettlebell programs for you 3 days a week, 5, whatever you need specifically, we have something in there for you with all of our courses from Built by Plants put into one app that's continuously updated on a monthly basis. And join our community, which is probably the most important, impactful part, where you can talk to other people that are on the same path as you, along with myself, and I'm inside the Pocket Coach every single day.
You have put some, you've put some hard work into it, man. And it's one of the most enjoyable communities I've been a part of in a while, man. So kudos to you guys, man. Kudos.
Posting meals, helpful tips, checking in on you, making sure that you're doing what you need to do so you can reach your body goals. So what I want you to do is go to builtbyplants.io, sign up for the Pocket Coach, join the community, and let's rebuild with precision. I'll see you inside.